Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to become the center of attraction. First, let's clarify what being the center of attraction truly means for you. It's not just about seeking attention, but about radiating positive energy and making meaningful connections. Consider what qualities you admire in charismatic people and how you can authentically embody them. Understanding your personal definition is the crucial first step towards achieving this goal. Confidence is key to drawing people in. Start by practicing positive self-talk. Challenge negative thoughts and replace them with empowering affirmations. Physically, stand tall with good posture and maintain consistent eye contact during conversations. Also, pursue hobbies or skills that genuinely make you feel competent and proud, as this naturally boosts your self-esteem. Effective communication is a powerful magnet. Be an active listener, truly hearing what others say, and ask thoughtful, open-ended questions to encourage deeper conversation. When it's your turn to speak, share engaging stories or experiences that resonate. Remember to use expressive body language and vary your vocal tone to keep your audience captivated and interested. Ultimately, being the center of attraction comes from authenticity. Embrace your unique self. Don't try to be someone you're not. Show genuine interest in others, celebrate their achievements, and offer sincere compliments. Remember, people are drawn to realness and positivity. Also, for those who love to discover new worlds and knowledge, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.